the perfect home with a perfect sunrise view. This basement rancher is a dream in desirable Corryton. All brick on the outside with beautiful finishes inside. The open concept floor plan creates an airy flow throughout the 3,400 square feet. The warm living room opens to the oversized kitchen, which is perfect for entertaining or cooking chef-sized meals. Complete with granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry, and an eat-in space, this kitchen is what everyone desires. The huge master suite sits on the main floor with a great ensuite and private balcony overlooking the mountain views and wooded lot. Downstairs offers a huge space that is plumbed for a second kitchen, hosts a second master with gorgeous ensuite, creating the perfect space for a mother-in-law or bonus room. Off the basement is a great workshop for creators, which leads outside to the private yard that boasts over 1 acre. This stunning home offers more than just a private, wooded lot and great floor plan. It offers a space to make a house a home, and it could be yours today.